All right, we'll take a tour of tent number 2. There we go, I can actually see. So we have a latrine, a lavatory with running water. There we go. Soap dispenser. And the great thing is when that drains, it actually drains right into a holding tank to reuse that water to flush the toilet with soapy water. Brilliant. So, comes complete with a towel rack, so to speak, toilet paper for your wiping experience, and then a separate shower with an actual shower head that goes into a catch basin of water with a pump that has a heck of a nice shower. Don't want to waste that because that's nice warm water.